What's up, Tyler? Chris here, the owner of CNP Marketing Design. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to bring more customers straight to your business using a website and Google Business Profile as the tools. The topics of today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations, and some bonus material here at the end of this video if you stick around, and what they'll actually do for your business if you use these strategies. More importantly, how you could easily get an extra 16 clients per month or more, really more, if you use these strategies that I'm teaching you right here in this video. But getting right into it, man, I checked out your page, and the page itself looks good. I love how many likes you have and how many followers you have, so great job getting the word out right there. And I like the structure in which you post, listing every single one of your services, before and after pictures. You seem to be pretty consistent as well. But getting right into it, I want to go into one of your biggest competitors in the Grand Rapids area, and that's Under Pressure, Steam, and Clean LLC. So page content is made up of the words, the images, and text behind the images called alt text that make up a certain page on your site. And you need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page to be optimized with Google, depending on your competition and the keywords that you're ranking for. This is also going to give you a lot more opportunity to fill in with some buyer intent keywords that you're trying to get business for. And a buyer intent keyword is just a search term that's searched into Google that indicates that person is probably ready to buy your services. For example, if somebody looked at pressure washing companies Grand Rapids, you know they're probably looking to get a pressure washing job done, and you know it's in an area that you target, and when you rank for these words, you come up first and get more customers coming straight to you that are already ready to buy. And to sum it up, Google has bots that will actually go through your page and find what services and what areas that you target. And when you don't have these search terms on your website, you aren't going to rank for them and get business for them. And this is why content is king and the easiest and fastest way to rank for anything. Now, if we check out the amount of content that they have on their front page, you can tell that they have a decent amount, but it's not yet optimized and it's still very beatable. You can actually get all of the search volume that they're getting on their website over to yours and get all of that business that they're getting online. So the second important topic I want to go over with you are backlinks. To show you that, I'm going to go into a tool I use called Ahrefs that gives you the breakdown of the performance of a website. You're going to see a couple of numbers here on this front page, and I'm going to break those down to you real quick. The first one is going to be the power of their homepage. The second one is the power of their entire domain, their entire website, and these are both ranking factors, right? This one's the amount of backlinks that they have, the amount of websites sending those backlinks, the amount of keywords that they're ranking for, and an estimation on the amount of traffic that they're actually getting for those keywords. And it's typically about 5 to 10 times higher than the estimation that Ahrefs reflects. So this is probably closer to about 500 to 1,000 searches or 1,000 traffic to their website every single month. So a backlink is just another website linking to yours through theirs, either through a clickable text or image. So if I clicked on this and it brought me up to their website, that's an example of this website sending their website a backlink. A good way to get these is by having a blog write an article about pressure washing and putting your URL in their article, right? And that's a great way to get a backlink. Now, the idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from other sites that Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you, just like a popularity contest. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want more powerful and relevant sites linking to show that you have more authority, because quality always wins with backlinks. And by relevant, I mean if you had other pressure washing sites linking to, that's going to do a lot more for you than a site like Pizza Hut for obvious reasons, right? Now, we could actually take a look at what their backlinks are, dive deep into them, and find out what they're using to win and use it as a roadmap to actually beat them. So if they have a backlink that's worth, let's say, 20 points, just to make it simple, and that way we know we have to get a backlink that's worth 25 points in order to beat that backlink and to beat them in backlinks. And that's exactly how this works. So let's take a look at some of their keywords real quick, find out what they're actually ranking for. These are the kind of ones that you actually want, right? Power washing Grand Rapids on average brings in 80 searches per month. They're getting about 28 traffic for that by being in this top position. And those are the kind of keywords that you really want. So the difficulty of these keywords are actually very low, which is going to make it that much easier to rank and get all of this traffic, all of these jobs from these keywords. And the cool thing is you can rank for as many as you want. Every single area and service has their own keywords as well. Now, I took the liberty of giving you the breakdown of some of the numbers here at the end of this video and how they work, but we're going to look at a Google search first. The first thing you see here is an amazing tool called the Google Map Pack. Many people go here first to find a business that fills their needs, and getting ranked in this top position typically means at least 40 or 50% more calls than top organic ranking alone with just the website. Now, what gets you ranked here, amongst other things, is having a stronger and larger citation profile than your competitors. And a citation is your business's name, address, and phone number submitted into directories such as Yelp and Yellow Pages. And yes, there are a lot of other ranking factors, some of which, the important ones I'm going to go over at the end of this video, but your organic ranking and your citations are some of the biggest. You could also rank in multiple areas all at once using the same profile, as well as capture all of those near me keywords like pressure washing near me. So let's just say you set up your profile right where that pin is. The stronger your profile gets, the larger the area it's going to cover, and you're going to be getting jobs from all over the place that are looking for any kind of pressure washing services by being in this Google Map pack, which makes it perfect for getting local customers. And once these strategies are coming together and you're beginning to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why it's worth it. So out of just these 5 keywords, right, not including all the other areas, not including all the other keywords within these areas, just a few that I grabbed to show you how the numbers work, that's 360 searches per month. If you converted just 3% of just these into paying customers, which is lowball, that's 11 new deals per month from your website and 16 or more by using both strategies. Like I said, not including all the other keywords or areas that you target. So here's how we actually find these numbers. The average click-through rate of somebody in the top position is 28.5%, meaning if I looked up pressure washing Grand Rapids, this guy's going to get about 28.5% of those site visits. 60 to 80% of those will actually call your business or fill out a lead form. And if your closing rate is about 50%, which it typically is getting leads this way, here's what the numbers look like from just the website. If you're in the top position for a buyer intent keyword that brings in 100 searches, you can expect to close about 8 to 11 deals per month if you maintain that top position. And that is like the low ball at 3% being the minimum, even though it's often higher because, hey, nobody's ever upset with the low ball, right? And I'm not sure what your margins are specifically, but if you multiplied your average profit per job and the number of jobs you could get, what could you be making this year if you use these strategies? So Tyler, this is what I do for a living. And while this video is going to help you start generating a good amount of revenue, if you want to step it up, go after larger areas, more keywords, or have any questions whatsoever about any of this, you're more than welcome to give me a call or text at 330-978-5004. Either way, I would really appreciate just that line of feedback so I know if you got some value out of this video. And right now, if you made it this far, I'm going to go over that extra content with you. So some bonus material to give you a little bit of extra value, right? So these are the biggest ranking factors for your Google business profile. And you're more than welcome to check these out real quick. And Facebook ads is also an excellent strategy to use in pressure washing. $5 to $15 per lead if you do it right. And this is exactly how you should execute it, right? You're more than welcome to check out this material right here. I'm going to scroll down so you can see the rest. But with that being said, thank you so much, Tyler. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon, my man.